In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make a coloring book in Canva. Perfect for gifts, digital products, or creative projects. Canva makes this process simple and fun, even if you're just starting out. Before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Canva tips every week. Start by opening Canva and typing coloring book in the search bar. You'll see plenty of ready-made templates designed specifically for coloring books, from playful kids themes to elegant detailed designs for adults. Take a moment to browse through and pick one that matches your creative vision. Once you've found a design you love, click Customize this template. This opens the Canva editor, where you can modify everything: layout, text, and illustrations. If you want to change any text, simply click on it and adjust the font, size, or color to fit your theme. To personalize your pages, add or replace images using the Elements tab. Search for black and white line art, doodles, or mandalas. Perfect for coloring pages. You can also upload your own sketches and turn them into outlines using Canva's Edit Image, then Tracer tool. As you design, keep your audience in mind. For kids' books, use simple shapes and bold outlines. For adults, go for detailed, intricate patterns. Consistency is key. Make sure every page connects smoothly and matches your chosen theme. Once your coloring book is ready, review all the pages carefully. When you're happy with it, download it as a PDF, print file for high quality printing, or save it as a digital version to sell or share online. And that's it. You've just created your own beautiful custom coloring book in Canva. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva design tutorials and creative inspiration.